In today's video, I'm going to teach you the essentials of how to sell watches on eBay. So, whether you're an enthusiast looking to make some extra cash, or just someone curious about how to navigate the watch slinging world online, you're in the right place. First things first, make sure you log into your eBay account. This is your starting point, and if you don't have one yet, it's pretty simple to set one up. You'll need an account to manage your listings and communicate with potential buyers. Once logged in, head over to the search bar and type in your watch's brand and model. Think something like Seiko SKX007. This will help you gauge the current market trends and the common price range for your watch. After you've searched for your watch, scroll down and check the sold listings section. This is where you'll find the real prices buyers are actually paying. It's a crucial step because it allows you to set a competitive and realistic price, which is key in attracting serious buyers. Now let's talk about presentation. It's incredibly important to clean your watch and take quality photos. Begin by wiping the watch with a microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges. This ensures your timepiece looks its best in pictures. You'll want to capture crystal clear photos from all angles, front, back, clasp, model number on the case back, and even the box and any papers if they're available. These visuals build trust with buyers and can significantly impact your sales success. Next up is crafting a killer title for your listing. Think of something catchy and informative like Citizen Eco Drive Titanium by R100 men's watch works great. This headline should grab attention and describe the main selling points of your watch. Moving on to the description section, this is where you want to be thorough and clear. Make sure to include details about the brand, model and overall condition. Does it function properly? Are there any flaws? Specify the band material and size, and mention any accessories that come with the watch like boxes, tags or manuals. If you know the serial or model number, include that information too. Finally, let's discuss the pricing strategies. You have two main options. First, there's the fixed price or buy it now, which is perfect for rare or specifically valued watches. It allows buyers to purchase instantly if they agree with your set price. The other option is an auction, ideal if you're unsure of the watch's worth, or if you want to generate some bidding excitement and interest. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to selling watches on eBay like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy selling.